looked down at the kill feed. I was like, friendly fire. I'm sorry.
Aw, man.
Dude, there's someone by me.
What?
I just heard someone shoot.
Vehicle.
There's a big one.
He's gonna hit my mines. He didn't hit my mine.
There's two of them. Two big ones.
One's dead.
Alright, the other one is in there for
Yeah, it hit my mine.
back tires. No, he hit my slammer.
Oh, okay. Whew. They're salty as fuck, man. It is not.
There's another one.
Where? I see him.
Alright. Alright. Take out.
Mine!
He's still alive, baby.
Yeah, I see.
Run, baby. I'm gonna shoot launch. There's a guy behind you, too.
Oh, shit.
Get out there.
Run!
Yeah.
Boom, son!
What about this guy? You're shooting.
Got him. Oh, I just got blood everywhere. How did he not die?
He's dead. He's dead.
Ugh.
Hey, get the freak out.
They're so salty. Another one.
Oh my.
So salty. So salty.
Microphone,
So salty.
microphone activated.
Oh shit.
I'm looking, I don't see anyone. Looking, I don't see anyone.
I see him.
He's inside the town though. There's one on the hillside.
Got him.
There's a guy trying to flank you. You need to get out of there.
I can't, man. There's so many of them. I gotta heal.
There's one guy bearing 280.